Day 14 of the exercise challenge. I don't remember anything about this video, even though it just happened 24 hours ago. Day 14. Before we start day 14, I want to show you yesterday. Well, I didn't record anything yesterday in the afternoon, but I spent a good majority of the afternoon in the basement. It was exercise. Let me show you what I had to do. I had to, of course I had to power up the vacuum. I'm going to do this not powered, but I sat here like this with my foot on it while it soaked up water. And then I would stand like this for a while. Oh, yeah, I feel it. I would stand like this for a while. Sometimes I would grab down here and I would go like this while I was waiting. And then I would scoot it back a little bit, not far, and then I would do the same thing. I repeated that around this whole area. I managed to collect a half a gallon of water out of the carpet. So, day 14, are you ready? Yep, still a little slick, but yeah, that's how I know that it wasn't long, because, what am I hitting? Okay, that's how I know that it wasn't long, because I wasn't feeling that the carpet hadn't been wet long, because I haven't been feeling that slickness when I get on the machine. Today is day 14, and today is 9 minutes out of 10 for the exercise for level 3. The first minute and the last minute, no. First 30 seconds. Alright, I went to level 1 on the first 30 seconds, and I'll go to level 1 on this last 30 seconds. That's how I'll do it. Oh, I do hear some squeaking now. Alright. I'll cut the scenes to tell you how far behind or ahead I am. On time. I can really feel this in my legs today because of all that extra exercise I did. On time. 2 minutes, 0.1 mile. Ahead, 7 seconds. Ahead, 11 seconds. At the 5-minute mark, I'm at 0.26. $18 seconds ahead. I hit 0.5 at 9 minutes 38 seconds. All right. I made it 0.51. $14 minutes, 3 seconds, 700 steps, 137 average, 153 max, 83 calories, with my arms 0.26 and 24 zone minutes. Okay. And I slowed it enough that I'm not still in fat burning. Day 14's in the books. I am almost halfway through the challenge. I have exercised for 2 straight weeks, even when something came up, and I'm talking flooded carpet. Alright, I'm going to go relax a little bit before I have to start working on the basement. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye.